Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll listen to a simple story about Tom and Emma at the airport and on a trip. They are traveling to Taiwan for the first time and are very excited about the food. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, here is today's question. What food does Emma say she really wants to try in Taiwan? Please listen carefully to find the answer. If you find it, let me know your answer in the comments. This will help you improve faster. All right, let's get started.
Hey Emma, we're finally at the airport. That was a long ride, but we got here early.
Yes, I'm really glad we came early. I always feel nervous about missing a flight.
Same here. Airports can get crowded quickly, especially in the morning.
Yeah, there are already so many people. It feels busy, but also exciting.
First, let's check in and drop off our bags.
Good idea. I want to finish that first so I can relax.
Hello. Where are you flying today?
Hi, we're flying to Taiwan.
May I see your passports, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, we have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Here you go.
Great, it's within the limit. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B15.
Thank you.
Boarding starts at 11 o'clock.
That's helpful to know.
That was quick. I thought it would take longer.
Same, I was expecting a long line, but everything went smoothly.
Next is security.
Right, let's get ready.
Do you have your passport and boarding pass ready?
Yes, I'm holding them so I don't lose them.
Please place your bags on the belt.
Okay.
I'll take out my laptop and phone now. I remember we need to do that.
Good thinking. That saves time.
Please walk through.
Here we go.
That was easier than I expected. I didn't feel stressed at all.
Yeah, it went very smoothly this time. We still have some time before boarding.
Yes, we have about an hour, so we don't need to rush.
Do you want to get something to eat?
Yes, I'm starting to feel hungry. I didn't eat much this morning.
Same. I think eating now is a good idea before the flight.
Yeah, I always feel better when I eat before flying.
Look, there's a cafe over there.
I see it, and it doesn't look too crowded.
Let's go there.
Sounds good. I want something simple.
What are you going to get?
I think I'll get a sandwich and a coffee. I want something light and warm.
That sounds nice. I might get a bagel and orange juice.
That sounds simple but filling.
Hello. What would you like?
One bagel and orange juice, please.
And one sandwich and a coffee, please.
Sure. I'll get that ready.
Let's sit by the window. You can see the planes from there.
That's a great spot. I like watching airplanes before a flight.
Our food is here. It smells really good.
Yes, it looks fresh and tasty.
This bagel is really good. It's soft and warm.
My sandwich is great too. It's simple, but the flavor is nice.
I feel much better now after eating.
Me too, I feel more relaxed and ready for the trip.
By the way, what are you most excited about in Taiwan?
I'm really excited about the food. I've always wanted to try Taiwanese street food.
Same, I heard the night markets are amazing.
Yes, and I really want to try bubble tea. I hear it's very popular there.
That sounds great. I want to try beef noodle soup.
That sounds delicious. We should try as many foods as we can.
We should go to a night market on our first night.
That would be amazing. I've seen videos, and it looks so fun.
Let's head to the gate soon. Boarding will start soon.
Yes, I don't want to be late.
This is our gate, B15. It looks like people are already lining up.
Yes, I think boarding will start very soon.
Perfect timing. We're on the plane now. I'm glad we found our seats quickly.
Yes, and I like this seat. I have the window, so I can see outside.
I'm sitting in the aisle seat, so it's easy to move.
That's convenient. We both got good seats.
The plane is about to take off.
I always feel a little nervous during takeoff, but also excited.
Same, but I enjoy the feeling too.
Wow, we're moving now. This is exciting.
Look, we're leaving the ground. The city looks so small from here.
It's beautiful. I love this view from the sky.
The flight is not too long, so it should be comfortable.
Yes, I think we can relax and maybe watch something.
Or we can talk more about our plans.
That sounds fun. I want to plan what to eat first.
Food is your top priority.
Of course, food is always important on a trip.
What's the first thing you want to eat when we arrive?
I really want to try bubble tea. I've been thinking about it for a long time.
Then let's find a good place right away.
Yes, that would be perfect.
Maybe we can also try some street food near our hotel.
That sounds exciting. I want to try many different things.
We're arriving soon.
That was a comfortable flight. Time went by quickly.
Welcome to Taiwan.
We're finally here. I'm so excited.
The airport looks clean and modern.
Yes, and it feels a bit warmer here.
Let's go through immigration.
Okay, I have my passport ready.
Welcome. Purpose of your visit?
We're here for vacation.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
We made it through. That was easy.
Yes, everything went smoothly again.
Let's get our bags and go explore.
Yes, I'm ready to start our trip.
First stop, food.
Yes, let's find bubble tea.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, let's go back to the question. What food does Emma say she really wants to try in Taiwan? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.